Go.
Alright, we're going to show how to play the game of Trap with the Fractazmic cards first. After shuffling the cards, you're going to deal out 7 cards to each player. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each player will be able to pick up their cards and then arrange their cards by suits. In Fractazmic, there's 3 suits: red, green, and blue. Since I dealt, the player that is clockwise to me gets to throw the first card. So Anna, you get to throw the first card, and she can pick any color that she wants to throw. So she's going to pick a card and throw it down. Now the objective of Trap is to either make 1 with the cards that are down, or to force the other player to go above 1. So go ahead and throw a card down. So she goes down with 1/16. Catherine goes next, and she's going to have to throw a card that is also going to be a red card. So she goes 1/4. So in my case, I'm going to also go 1/4. Now on the deck, you've got 1/2 plus 1/16, so there's 9/16 on the deck. Anna would either like to make the whole thing close to 1, but to make it 1, she would have to make it 16/16, so she'd have to throw a 7/16 down. She doesn't want to throw anything bigger than 7/16 because that will make it over 1, and then I will win the hand. So she's going to throw her card down.
Can I draw?
If she doesn't have a red, you don't have a red card? She doesn't have a red card, she has to draw and throw the first red card that she gets. Keep going. Alright, so now we're getting really close here. We've got 2/4, which is going to make a 1/2. And notice that as you go along, you have to be able to add the fractions up close to 1. So now you've got 1/8, which is 2/16, plus another 16, so there's 3/16 plus 8/16, which is 11/16. A 5/16 could win it for Catherine. She goes down with another 8. Now we're at 1/4 plus 1/4, which is 3/4, plus another 16. Luckily for me, and if you add all these up, you will find that you've got 4/16, 8/16, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13/16. To win, I would need to have a 3/16, and I do, and I take the hand. That is now 1 hand of mine.
I have 1 hand of mine.
Okay, I, however, am going to throw down green. So now I've gone down in the green. Anna has to throw a green card, and we're going to do the same thing in a round with the greens.
I got a hole.
Well, it doesn't matter if you got a hole. That's in the other game, so which would be nice for you, but she now goes down. Okay, so now we have a 1/10 and a 1/5. Another 10th, so now we're at 4/10, 5/10. Anna could win with a 1/2 if she has a green 1/2. If not, she has to throw what she's got. Okay. So now we're at 7/10. Catherine doesn't have a card, so she's going to have to draw. And she takes it. And now she gets to choose. So 1/4, 1/3 plus 1/4. And if you notice, you can actually do this by counting up the number of eggs. There's now 7 eggs out. You need 12 eggs to take the hand. And a 6, so now we've got 8 down, 8 eggs. So if Catherine has a 1/3, she can win it. And she does, and she takes the hand. So we've shown how to do 3 different hands, and you will continue to play until you run out of cards. So, and now the person who went down last would actually keep going. And so we'll continue our game. Unfortunately, I don't have any blue cards, and I'm now drawing, but we'll keep going on our game. Thank you.